here that we grew out in our lettuce garden. I'm going to cut them up and cook them. I'm going to cook them with some nopales as well. It gets to the thicker stalks, we just go in and start pulling the leaves off. Continue chopping up the green pieces. Go in, but sometimes you're chopping. I have a pot here with some water in it. Put all the greens, spinach, collard greens, any of the greens that you cook down. Nopales cleaned and trimmed. Gonna cut it in strips, cut it in smaller pieces, and then add that to the dandelions. Got the dandelions going already. Then I'll add this in. And they'll cook down as well. And I'll go add that to the already in the pot cooking dandelions. Nopales cactus cooked with the dandelions. Then I'm going to strain that, and I'm going to cut some of our broccoli, kale, some of those leaves, chop them up, cook them in the juice, and then add that to it once we're done. So here we have the dandelion and the nopales cut up, cooked down. I strained them. Then I'm going to cut the, you see we got broccoli leaves, we've got kale leaves, obviously little heads of broccoli. We're going to chop all of this up and cook it and add a little garlic to the water. We have the broccoli, kale, all of that going into the water here. When the stems are too thick, just peel the leaves off, put that in your compost. Works great. Processor, I combined some couple of those dolce peppers and a little garlic with some olive oil going into the pot as well. I'm going to take a little apple cider vinegar and put in here, and then we'll cook it down, and once it's cooked down we'll strain it and add it to the dandelion and the nopales. The broccoli, we have the broccoli leaves, kale, all of that stuff was cooked down. Now we're going to strain that. You see that we have the dandelions and the nopales cactus cooked, chilling. Once all of these are done, we did add some apple vinegar to this, and we're going to let them cool. Then we'll mix them all together and we'll have a nice cold green salad. You can see we've been munching on pieces during our cook, and yeah, live, love. We'll toss that up, mix it, put it in the fridge so it's chilled.